we rely on timely and high-quality manufacturing systems. But how can we more proactively maintain them? So that's what we're going to be looking at today in our relational AI example. What we have here is an ontology. It shows how everything in our manufacturing system relates and how we might be able to use it to improve the system. We can already answer a number of questions spanning optimization, graph analysis, running predictions, rules, and even chaining these reasoning types together. But first, let's try to understand how our system is performing now and where we might improve it or get ahead of some risks. We've identified which machines are deteriorating fastest, so looking at these turbines and plants, we can assess trends in the upcoming potential issues across our machines, gauge urgency. These are going to be valuable inputs in the analyses to come. We'll switch gears and do a graph analysis. It allows us to see which machines are most vulnerable and how we can map to potential technicians and where the bottleneck might be. Based on this, we're going to optimize our maintenance schedule to ensure we don't have downtime. We found an optimal maintenance schedule. We can cover all the machines. All the turbines are assigned to local technicians, and the full assignments. You can see which technician carries the heaviest load. But what if that technician is not available? So we need to look at a scenario and rerun the optimization. If we lose that technician, the whole thing collapses. We don't have a maintenance path. So that one person was our critical link. That wasn't evident initially. We had to do additional analysis, look through scenarios, look through the dependencies. So what are our options now? If we cross-train one of our technicians, then we have an option to have coverage. We've identified that we actually do have an option, running through another scenario, to have coverage for machine maintenance. And then we got the new schedule revised here, and we can see the benefit in terms of investment and risk. We have this trade-off to weigh, and then if speed matters more than cost, we have another option. And we can keep exploring these scenarios. We've gone from an understanding of our manufacturing system, triaging risk of the different machines, identifying that if we lost one of our technicians, we'd be in big trouble, and then finally identifying options for retooling the schedule to make sure we have coverage.